Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Time for Tidbit Tuesdays. So last week, April 15th, was the deadline to file taxes unless you filed an extension. But what's really important is if you have marketplace coverage, you will need a 1095-A form to have filed with your taxes. You may have done it, not realized they've been rejected. If you sent it in without the form, they will reject your taxes. If you've not already filed, you can grab the 1095 form, which they send to you, but if you can't find it, you can email me. I have access to it. But what's super important is you need to file. That's one of the requirements if you have marketplace insurance, whether you receive a tax credit or not. And why is this important? Well, they've gotten a lot more strict on this, but they can actually take away your tax credit if you don't file, which we don't want that to happen if you are getting a tax credit, because that'll increase your premiums. 2, if you don't file, then next year when open enrollment comes around, it's going to ask for all kinds of documentations if they allow me to enroll you. So a lot of people don't realize it. It is in the forms I send you to sign, but nobody reads those. I just can't stress how important it is that you file your taxes on time. You know, and if you file an extension, here's the other key is that if you file an extension, hopefully you're doing your taxes by October 15th, and that's still cutting it close because we need the systems to talk to each other. So when we go to do open enrollment November 1, if you've not filed your taxes or didn't file them to October 15th, the system may not realize you filed your taxes because nothing has been updated. And then that creates a problem at open enrollment. I get it. If, you know, for whatever reason, you may not file them, but even if you owe money, you should file them. You can always set up a payment plan with the IRS or make payment later, but you want to submit your taxes so that that information is at the IRS as soon as possible, because they're going to reconcile that when open enrollment comes, and then they use that information again to reconcile the following year when you do your taxes. So super important to do. Please do not miss this step. If you can't find your 1095, again, reach out to me. I do have access to that form for you. So until next week, peace out.